Alright, here's a video on how to remove the front cover on a F-150. This cover right here, and I'm going to show you how to remove the license plate also. Actually, license plate is very easy. You don't even have to take the plate off. I went ahead and took it off, but if you just pull these covers from these clips from the back, just pull them out some, and pull out on both sides. That's one side's off. The other side's off. Same thing on this one. One side, the other side. And it comes right off. So it just clips on really. So you really don't have to remove the license plate, it just clips on. And then you're left with a nice front look to it. Okay, then the little front cover here, if you could just get your fingers behind it, it just pops off. Just carefully pull it all the way around. Both sides. You might need to get a screwdriver or something to help push it out. So I found the easiest way is kind of really through the top, in the middle. Just pops all right out. That's it. So license plate should probably not be on this side. This is the, I believe this is what helps you, adaptive cruise control. The radar that visualizes the car in front of you. I believe that's what that is. Or it could be the sensor when you're about to crash into something, or it could be both, I don't know. But this is a sensor here, so you probably shouldn't put a piece of metal in front of it. If you're gonna put a license plate, you're gonna put it on that side. Okay, here's the clip itself. That's how it looks like in the back. You see some of the clips stayed on and some of them came off, so they're still in there. Alright, so you could use this here and just cut off the back, or you could use like an old license plate frame. Just line it up perfect around here and try to screw it down. If you have some kind of a bracket or something to add in between it, you could probably add that in there also, just to help it stay a little better. I'm not going to use this, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. So with a saw, you just saw all these off. Alright, so it's all nice and flat on the back, so now I can just screw it onto here. Remember, these tabs go down, so it doesn't look weird whenever you put it back on. So I eyeballed the top, bottom, and how far indented I wanted on this side, because it leaves a little bit of space on the other side also. Made a little line in there, and I wanted it to be as straight as possible, so I used this a straight edge here and measured it right about at 2.5 inches down. Did the same thing on this side, made a straight line, and you have a straight line there. So I'm gonna put this indentation here, just screw it in there just to hold it. Alright, so we got the line, we got a couple little holes on each side. I'm going to put a couple little screws in there just to hold it in, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, these screws actually hold it down very good. So, you can push this thing out, it doesn't come out. And when you put the license plate screws in there, it's going to hold it out even better. So I just drilled them in there, or screwed them in, and it made a little hole, so that's going to help hold it in also. So the whole thing is not going anywhere. Okay, so we're going to try to put it back on, but you want to remove these clips, and you might want to go ahead and wipe everything down clean so it doesn't stay so dirty back here. Okay, so these just squeeze them into the back and they pop right out. And then you want to insert it back. It goes in here. Just like that. So do that to all of them. Okay, so here's a little tip on these little clips. When you pull them out, see how the teeth are straight up, and it's really hard to push them in to here, and you end up trying to open them, and you end up kind of they'll pinch you and it will cut you. So here's a tip: while they're still on, push the little teeth back in a little bit. So you push them in a little bit like that. See, when the teeth are straight out, it makes it hard for them to go in. Okay, push them in, and then when you clip them in, those little bitty teeth will kind of latch on to the plastic itself. Alright, so all the clips are in. Now I should just clip right in. That's it. So that's it. License plate is right on the side, relocated, and allows a little better airflow in the front. That's where the intercooler is at also, so it's important. If you like the video, please let me know. Comment if you think this is dumb. I'll say I don't like license plates in the front of any cars. I wish Texas changed its rules or laws in order to stop having to have a license plate in the front. There's no need for it. One license plate in the back is enough. But please subscribe, comment, like, and thanks again for watching.